Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable or disable touch screen on your Windows 11 PC. For this, click on this one Start button, type here Device Manager. In the search results, click on this one Device Manager entry. In the Device Manager window, double click on this one Human Interface Devices, and then you need to find one SD compliant touch screen option. Select it, right click on this, select this one, disable device option, click yes, and you will see a down arrow button to this one option, and it will disable touch screen on your Windows 11 PC. In case you want to enable in the future, again open the device manager and go to this one human interface devices, and then right click on HID compliant touchscreen option. Select here enable device option, and now touchscreen on your Windows 11 PC will be enabled. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Geared Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.